Hello, my name is Claudia Lopez. I will be presenting the 12 cranial nerves. So this is my illustration of the cranial nerves. So I would start with cranial nerve number 1, which is the olfactory. This is the sensory, and it's the smell, the sense of smell. So it's a sensory. I have cranial number 2, which is the optic nerve, and this is the sensory of seeing. So you could see, and it's a sensory. I have cranial number 3, which is the ocular motor, and this is the pupil responsive, and the eye movement as well. And this is a motor. I have cranial number 4, which is a trochlear, and this is the movement of the eyes downwards and inwards, and this is a motor. I have cranial number 5, which is the trigeminal, and this is a sensation of chewing and also facial, and this is a motor and sensory. I have number 6, and number 6 is abducens, and this is a motor and is the eye movement to the sides. Now I have cranial number 7, and number 7 is facial motor, and this is a motor and sensory, and this is the taste and the sensation of your face. So it's a motor and sensory. Now I have number 8, which is the vestibular cochlear, and this is the inner ear. The picture that I did is kind of like the inner ear and balance, so it's balance function and the hearing. And then this is a sensory. Now I have cranial nerve 9, and cranial nerve 9 is the glossopharyngeal, and this is the swallowing sensation and also the taste of the posterior of the tongue, and this is a motor and sensory as well. And then I have cranial number 10, which is the vagus nerve, and this is a sensory and motor, and this is function is the heart rate, the respiration rate, and also the digestive system and the outer ear. And then I have cranial 11, which is the accessory, and the accessory is a motor and it's the shoulders and neck movement. And then I have, last but not least, I have the hypoglossal, which is the 12th nerve, and this is the tongue movement, and usually you can move your tongue side to side or outside, move it